Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can use offline maps without internet. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, you need to go ahead and go to your map while you're on your internet, and then let's go ahead search for a place. Let's say I do this place. And now when I need to go to this place, I'm going to start my direction. And when I'm starting, I'm going to tap on start as well. And I'm going to start moving. And then I'm going to turn off my internet. Now, when I do that, and then I go back and open it again, and when I start go ahead following this particular map, I will be able to follow this map. It'll still give me direction and I can reach my destination. But you have to remember that you have to search for that place and start your journey or direction while you had internet. If you did not, then of course the map will not be accessible and you will not be able to use it. You will need internet for that matter. If you don't have an internet and you want it offline, you can also go ahead and get hotspot for somebody else as well, but that's again, it needs one way or another internet support. And that's it, guys. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.